Kurt, so big shout out. He's doing his first big tour on a K1600, and we'll let these come through because I'm feeling like a nice guy today. So Kurt is inspired by the camping, so he's actually booked to go camping in the lakes, which is a very, very, very good thing to do, because I'm thinking of doing it the weekend as well. I got to make certain that the campsite that I want is open. Wild camping in Bavaria is not really encouraged or liked, so it's better to go to a campsite. So that's what I'm going to do. Just go down for a long weekend, finish work early on Friday, head off down to Lake Constance, and then go and see my friends at the camping site. Now if you're ever around there, I'll put a link down below, and you go there. They are amazing, and it's a great campsite, great facilities. There's a good restaurant there as well. So there's everything that you need. Camp shop, great showers, actually very good showers. Last time I was there, I was with a friend, and we had some friends turn up, and the campsite even loaned me a table and benches, so we didn't have to sit on the floor. I mean, that is brilliant. I mean, can you think of a better service than that? No, I couldn't either. I just thought they were excellent. You can't beat good service. And then you're right on the banks of Lake Constance, so you can go into Constance itself, and that has got some really good restaurants and some interesting places to have a look around. And then if you take your passport, you can go across the boundaries into Austria and Switzerland. I mean, in all fairness, you won't actually need your passport because nobody asks for it, not even in Switzerland. I know because I tried to get a bloody stamp in my passport, so I didn't have to leave the EU to go back. But the one thing that the Swiss did do was charge me 40 bucks for some road tax. Yeah, I was there for 105 miles. It was a damned expensive one. But I did enjoy the ride, I gotta admit. The roads were average. They weren't as good as Germany's, believe it or not. Now guys, I'm riding in dynamic mode again today. Tyre pressure's spot on. I put 3 bars into each, because by the time you're taking it off, it drops it to 2.9, which is what it's supposed to be. Yay! So that's pretty good. And then dependent on the weather, either the front heats up and the back remains the same, or the back heats up and the front remains the same. So it's all good whichever we do. And Sam is singing her favourite song. She's screaming well sometimes. And for that you just cannot fault it, I tell you. You cannot fault a K1600 when it screams. And we have a convoy, rubber duck. And we're going to have to slow down because we're in built-up area. But this is where I'm going to stop, and then we'll go and grab a coffee. And I will show you where we're going to go, because it's right by the river, so I get a good view. And fingers crossed, there should be quite a few bikes there today. Oh, a nice old cafe racer. There's the river. Up goes the visor. As you can see, everything is closed. It's a closed. And then down here we have the motorcycles. Not the many today, but we got a few, so that's fine. So there's my parking spot. And time to sign off, and I'll be back soon.